നമസ്കാരം. കേരള PSC സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗിൻ്റെ ഇൻഫോർമേറ്റീവായ മറ്റൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഒരു പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്. അസിസ്റ്റൻറ്റ് എഞ്ചിനീയർ കാറ്റഗറി നമ്പർ 55/2016 LSG ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെൻറ്റിൽ നിന്നാണ് വേക്കൻസി റിപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്തിരുന്നത്. 11/10/2017 ഈ എക്സാം നടന്നത്. ആൽഫ കോഡ് A ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് നേരെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിലേക്ക് പോകാം. Question 21. Among the following, which is true for one-way slab? Correct answer option D, L greater than 2B. Question 22. What is the section modulus of a beam of circular in shape with radius R? Correct answer option A, pi r cube by 4. Question 23. In treatment of water, what for sedimentation with coagulation is done? Correct answer option D, remove fine colloidal particles. Question 24. What is an impermeable formation which contain water but are not capable of transmitting? Correct answer option C, aquiclude. Question 25. Which among the following is not a road junction at the same elevation? Correct answer option A, diamond interchange. Question 26. Among the properties of cement, to determine the compressive strength, what should be the face area of cement mortar cube prepared for conducting the compression test? Correct answer option A, 50 cm square. Question 27. What is the average rate of loss such that the volume of rainfall in excess of that rate will be equal to direct runoff? Correct answer option B, infiltration index. Question 28. Which among the following is the ratio of modulus elasticity of steel to the modulus elasticity of concrete? Correct answer option A, modular ratio. Question 29. Which among the following is the construction in the form of cluster of closely spaced piles used for tying up of ships? Correct answer option C, dolphins. Question 30. What is meant by the strength of a section? Correct answer option A, moment of resistance offered by a section. Question 31. What is the name of the wedge-shaped unit at the crown of an arch? Correct answer option D, key. Question 32. What is the minimum water content at which a soil will just begin to crumble when rolled into a thread? Approximately 3 mm in diameter. Correct answer option C, plastic limit. Question 33. In critical path method, what does an arrow represent? Correct answer option C, activity. Question 34. A simply supported beam of span L carries a point load W at the center of the beam. What will be the bending moment diagram? Correct answer option A, triangle. Question 35. If forebearing of a line is 130 degree, what is the back bearing of that line? Correct answer option D, north 50 degree west. Question 36. If the center of gravity of a plain vertical surface 2 meter long and 1 meter wide immersed in water is at a depth of 2 meter from the free surface of water, what is the total pressure on the surface? Correct answer option C, 4000 kilogram. Question 37. How many points will be there in a turnout? Correct answer option B, 2. Question 38. Find the maximum torque transmitted by a shaft of 100 mm diameter if maximum shear stress induced to shaft is 16 Newton per mm square. Correct answer option A, 31,400 Newton meter. Question 39. In case of steel column section, what is a fillet? Correct answer option B, junction between flange and web. Question 40. As per IS code for the design of steel structures, what is the maximum deflection of a loaded beam? Correct answer option B, 1/325 of span. Question 41. By which of the following the final size of town will be anticipated? Correct answer option A, green belt. Question 42. A simply supported beam made of steel is having an efficient span of 4 meter. What is the section modulus required for beam section if the safe bending stress is 165 m per mm square? Take total load including superimposed load and dead load as 3 kN per meter. Correct answer option B, 60 into 10 raised to 6 by 165 mm cube. Question 43. When direct ranging is done in chain surveying, correct answer option C, when the two stations are intervisible. Question 44. What is the name of cross drainage work if the canal crosses the drain at a higher elevation than the drain? Correct answer option D, aqueduct. Question 45. If a point 60 cm above horizontal plane is 20 cm in front of vertical plane, then where will be its plan when the scale of drawing is 1:10? Correct answer option A, 2 cm below XY line. Question 46. If a groundwater body is separated from main groundwater by a relatively impermeable stratum of small aerial extent located above main groundwater body, then what type of aquifer it is? Correct answer option A, perched aquifer. Question 47. Which property of cement among the following is determined using Wickett apparatus? Correct answer option D, setting time. Question 48. What is negative skin friction? Correct answer option B, downward drag acting on a pile due to downward movement of surrounding soil. Question 49. Which among the following grades denotes the concrete mix 1:1:2? Correct answer option D, M25. Question 50. Which among the following is a temporary dam constructed for facilitating construction work? Correct answer option C, coffer dam. Question 51. What is plasticity index? Correct answer option B, liquid limit minus plastic limit. Question 52. What for a mouthpiece is introduced? Correct answer option A, to increase value of coefficient of discharge of an orifice. Question 53. If the gauge pressure is minus, what will be the absolute pressure? Correct answer option A, atmospheric pressure minus gauge pressure. Question 54. In the case of primary tension failure, in which of the following sections tension cracks appear? Correct answer option A, under reinforced section. Question 55. What is the built-up area of a building at any floor level? Correct answer option C, floor area. Question 56. Which among the following is a compression of soil mass resulting from a long-term static load and consequent escape of pore water? Correct answer option B, consolidation. Question 57. In a roof truss, which of the following is used to support roofing material? Correct answer option C, purlins. Question 58. According to PIEV theory, for calculating stopping side distance, which among the following is not included in the total reaction time? Correct answer option B, interchanging time. Question 59. Which of the following is inversely proportional to coefficient of permeability? Correct answer option D, viscosity of flowing fluid. Question 60. Which among the following is a channel aligned roughly at right angle to the contours? Correct answer option A, side slope canal. Question 61. A cantilever of length L carries a point load W at free end. If the length of the cantilever is doubled, what load free end will cause the same deflection at free end? Correct answer option D, W by 8. Question 62. Name the process of obtaining hand-cut samples from stiff cohesive soil which is trimmed to regular shape and wrapped to get undisturbed samples. Correct answer option D, chunk sampling. Question 63. In which of the following types of foundation rolled steel joists are used? Correct answer option C, grillage foundation. Question 64. Which among the following is determined by Hardy-Cross method? Correct answer option A, correction in discharge. Question 65. What is the portion of a brick obtained by cutting the brick longitudinally into two equal parts? Correct answer option B, tune closer. Question 65. When a doubly reinforced beam is preferred. Correct answer option B. When depth of beam is to be limited. Question 67. What is defined as the difference between the amount of chlorine added to water and the amount of chlorine remaining at the end of specified contact period? Correct answer option A. Chlorine demand. Question 68. Which fitting is used to hold two rails together? Correct answer option D. Fish plate. Question 69. Which among the following is known as bending equation? Correct answer option B. M by I equal to F by Y equal to E by R. Question 70. In a leveling, bauxite is noted as 1.200 on a benchmark whose reduced level is 100 and foresight is noted as 1.2. Then the instrument is shifted to a new position and bauxite is noted as 1.1. What is the height of instrument for the second setup? Correct answer option C. 101. Question 71. Which among the following is responsible for quicksand? Correct answer option C. Seepage pressure. Question 72. What is the advantage of coning of wheels of railway vehicles? Correct answer option D. Helps to keep the vehicle centrally aligned on a straight and level track. Question 73. What is the polar moment of inertia of circular section of radius 2 cm? Correct answer option B. Pi by 2 cm raised to 4. Question 74. Which among the following is not included in the shape test for road aggregates? Correct answer option D. Group index. Question 75. For what purpose a venturi meter is used? Correct answer option B. To find out the discharge of a liquid flowing in a pipe. Question 76. Which among the following is used to indicate the area of land acquired along the road alignment by the highway organization? Correct answer option D. Right of way. Question 77. Among the following, in which filter backwashing cannot be done for cleaning the filter? Correct answer option A. Slow sand filter. Question 78. What is the flow called if the depth of water in a channel is greater than the critical depth? Correct answer option D. Streaming flow. Question 79. Which among the following is a flow whose streamlines may be represented by a curve? Correct answer option B. Two-dimensional flow. Question 80. What is called the line produced by the intersection of two roof surfaces form an external angle less than 180 degree? Correct answer option C. Valley. Question 81. Which among the following is incorrect in the case of a combined footing? Correct answer option B. Allowable bearing pressure of soil should be less than the ratio of total load to the area of footing. Question 82. Which among the following is suitable for half brick wall? Correct answer option C. Structure bond. Question 83. Determine the crippling load of a solid round bar of length 3.14 meter used as a strut with both ends hinged, whose moment of inertia of cross section is 30 into 10 raised to 4 Newton per mm square and Young's modulus is 2 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per mm square. Correct answer option C. 60 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. Question 84. In limit state method, what is the minimum percentage of steel required? Correct answer option B. 85 by F5. Question 85. Which among the following is not included in the temporary adjustment of a dumbbell level? Correct answer option B. Centering. Question 86. The ratio of stress to the corresponding strain is a constant within the elastic limit. Which among the following is the above constant? Correct answer option D. All of the above. Question 87. Which among the following is the ratio between inertia force and gravity force? Correct answer option C. Froude's number. Question 88. In case of volume batching for concrete, which of the following is correct? Correct answer option D. Fine aggregate and coarse aggregate are measured using a box which have volume equal to volume of one bag of cement. Question 89. Which among the following is the bottom level of windows in a building? Correct answer option C, sill. Question 90. Which among the following is used for area calculation? Correct answer option B, Simpson's rule. Question 91. What is an oxidation ditch? Correct answer option B, extended aeration system. Question 92. Which among the following can be used as a method for seasoning for removal of sap from timber? Correct answer option C, boiling. Question 93. Which among the following is a structure constructed for energy dissipation below spillways? Correct answer option D, Stilling basin. Question 94. In case of open channel flow, for calculating the specific energy, what will be taken as datum? Correct answer option C, bottom of channel. Question 95. Which among the following may be prescribed as design mix? Correct answer option D, M35. Question 96. In which of the following the sludge digestion and sedimentation takes place in the same chamber? Correct answer option C, septic tank. Question 97. When water contains suspended matter and acids or alkalis, which pump can be recommended? Correct answer option A, airlift pump. Question 98. In calculating fluctuations in demand for water, what is coincident draft? Correct answer option A, maximum daily demand added to fire draft. Question 99. In which of the following soap with staff can be classified? Correct answer option D, self-reading type staff. Question 100. Among the following, which is not classified under surface sources of water? Correct answer option A, streams.